I'm going to show you how to make a super easy hibachi shrimp. So all I'm using is this amazing olive oil. It's garlic and Parmesan olive oil, and then just shrimp that it was frozen and I just unthawed it. I bought the package from the store, and and you can use any size shrimp for this. I bought the deveined and peeled shrimp. So, but it was raw, so raw shrimp. You need to make sure that's important. And then I'm just using just some salt and pepper. So I'm just gonna pour a little bit of the oil, and actually let's turn this down because shrimp cook very quickly. So I can see it kind of, and actually I need to shake the bottle up a little bit, but we got some. So we're just putting the shrimp on there. And I'm going to shake the bottle up really good because this bottle has the garlic and the seasoning, the Parmesan seasoning on the bottom. And if you don't shake it up really good, it just stays on the bottom and you get just the oil. So I'm going to pour more on there. And you can actually make your own, but I'm guaranteeing you it's not going to taste as good. This is just olive oil, seasonings, garlic, and Parmesan. And so you want a thin layer. And shrimp cook super quick. So this recipe is just going to be, it's only going to take just a couple minutes. And you're going to see the color. It's translucent, but it's pink, starting to turn pink on the other side. Once we get like a good pink on the side, we're going to turn it over, have that side turn pink, and once you lose that translucent brownish color, then your shrimp are done. And that's you do not want to overcook shrimp. Overcooked shrimp get tough. And the only reason I'm just doing a small amount here is I'm here by myself, and I just wanted to have shrimp for dinner. So, and I don't eat a whole lot. So I'm just making a small amount for myself. And then I'm just gonna individually flip over. We got some golden brown color there, which is nice. And you can do like vegetables with this if you want to cook up some vegetables to go along with this. I've actually made shrimp fried rice that, I do the fried rice, my fried rice recipe, and then I cook up the shrimp just like this and add the shrimp to it. And I also make shrimp stir fry. So I do the stir fry recipe. I cook the shrimp up like this, and then I just add it to it. And, sometimes if I cook it up, if the other stuff isn't done, then I will actually pull it, set it aside until right before I'm finished with the other, and then add it in and let the juices combine with whatever it is that I'm cooking, because you do not want to overcook shrimp. So shrimp has amazing flavor and amazing taste, but if you overcook it, it'll get rubbery and chewy, and I guarantee you won't like it. So, and this is pretty much almost done. I can see it's all the top is pink, a pinkish peach color, and the bottom I can see is gone, and it's actually like I'm getting a little golden brown color, which is good, but you don't want too much. So, and I think I'm actually going to pull this. So, and once again, like I have said before, you don't want to keep on flipping and flipping and flipping. I put it on the griddle, let it cook on the one side till it was the color that I wanted it to, flipped over, cooked it that way, and now I'm pulling it off. That's a huge mistake that I see so many people make, is they keep on flipping and flipping and flipping their food, and it just turns rubbery and turns, yeah. like burgers. I see people doing that all the time, and it just makes me cringe because it's like, you know, stop. It's like, just leave it alone, let it cook. You want it to get that brown color and cook. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna turn the griddle off here. So we're turning the gas. I'm turning the gas off here, and then I'm gonna go through and turn each burner off. So then you could scrape it if you need to. There's not a whole lot here on there, and so I'll probably let it cool down a little bit, and then I will clean it and season it, put the lid on it, put the hard lid, then the soft lid, and put it away until the next time I use it. So very, very important that you clean it after every single time that you use it. You season it after every single time that you use it, which means that you just make sure that there's no water condensation on the top of it, and you put just a thin layer of oil. You don't want to see any pools on it. Just use a paper towel with a thin layer of oil, and then you make sure you clean out the grease trap. So important that you clean out that grease trap. So let's look. At the shrimp. Look how amazing that looks. The shrimp, we have nice color, nice golden brown color, and it is perfect. Perfect. So that is, look how quick that was. I mean, the shrimp cooked in probably under 5 minutes, not even 5 minutes, and boom, I have my dinner tonight. And you know, it is an amazing meal, and